Alright, y'all. Y'all already know what time it is. It's braid out time. It's really braid out time. Y'all, my hair is freaking, ooh. She is so freaking happy, bro. So happy. But she is dry and she is soft. Y'all see that? I mean, I have had her in 2 braids since I washed my hair, but still, bro, she's super soft. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. All right, so this is gonna be a ponytail with a bang braid out style. You know, it's a quick style. However, it's gonna take some time for everything to set, but in the end, it's gonna be really, really cute. All right, so come on, let's get into it. All right, so first we want to start with the bang. So I got my part, I got my bang party. Now we're gonna get to this ponytail. Now for my ponytail, I'm gonna need some product. For this ponytail, I'm gonna need some product to make it do what I want it to do. See that? So let's get this ponytail done, baby. Oh, I need my brush. Alright, so now I'm about to braid down my bang, and I want to braid it down in 2 braids. And my bang gonna go this way. So I'm going to separate this hair into 3 equal parts. You can do 3, you can do 4, however many you want. Okay? I'm going to start with the middle first. are done braiding up our hair. As I said, we got 3 braids in the back and then we got 2 in the front. We're gonna let this sit for about 2 to 3 hours and we're gonna come right back and braid them and take them out. Okay? Let's see how they look. I can't wait to see them. I fell asleep last night, y'all. So we up this morning. I'm about to brush the back of this. Y'all, I put on my bonnet. After I put on my bonnet and I got in the bed just to lay down for a little bit, I was like, I'm not getting back up. I'll do it in the morning. So here we are. It is the next day. And it's time to take these things out. Alright y'all, so this is the look. It didn't come out exactly how I wanted it to come out. Like I wanted it to be more voluptuous. Let me see if I comb it out and see how it looks then. It's okay. It's not my favorite, but it's okay. I think I should have left it alone instead of trying to comb it out. You know, sometimes your hair wants to do what she wants to do, but, you know. Ooh, scratched myself. It's okay. Is it something that I will go to again? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I don't know. It's not my favorite. It's different. Maybe a lower ponytail. Alright you guys, about to get up out of here. I hope you guys like this braid out. Let me know down in the comments if you like it. But I'm not too crazy about it. I'm not too crazy about it. Maybe if I would have like I don't know y'all, I don't know. But it didn't come out how I wanted to. But it's just something, you know. It's something. But I'm gonna get up out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, it's Beauty with DiDi. Peace, love, and shea butter, baby. I like the way you move though. You know, I like, you got a little movement.